and welcome back to our channel Vlogging Warriors. So today we have come with an unboxing video in front of you. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon where you'll never miss a new update from our channel. And we have started also a new channel named Tech and Travel by Suman. So you can subscribe to that channel also. We'll put the link in the description. So let's get started. Today we are going to unbox this product which is in front of you. This is I have bought from Amazon, as you can see. So let's unbox this. Before unboxing, this is not any other products. This is a medical product. So before telling anything, let's unbox this one. So for unboxing, there is tape here. So let's remove those tapes. So guys, as you can see here, we have unboxed the product. So first one, when we are telling, we have bought two products which is inside this box. So first one, when we are telling, you can just see here. I'll just place it over here. And the next product is thermometer. Just keep it over here. So these are the two products which is inside the box, and rest in the box there is nothing except a warranty card. It's a 1-year warranty. So let's unbox this product. So before unboxing, I'll tell you what is this product. First, this, as you all know, this is a thermometer we use for checking fevers and everything. So that is this. The next one is Dr. Trust Gold Standard blood glucose monitoring system. As you can see here, it is written. This is the product. There are some things given here, how to use and what are the functions of this. So this is the overview of the box, and this is the front view, and this is the side view. In side view also, this product. So guys, in today's video we are going to unbox this product and let's check it out. So first, let's go to the thermometer. Let's keep this on the side. So while seeing the thermometer, they have given some things here. I will just zoom you so that you can see better. As you can see here, it is written digital thermometer. Flexible tip it has. It's a flexible tip and waterproof and beeping signal ready. So you can see here what and all. You can just pause it and you can just see that this is the thermometer here. So let's unbox it. So we have unboxed here. In this, what and all things we get is, one is the manual which is here inside. So this is the manual. So what are the things and how to use it, what are the functions of this. I'll just keep it here. You can just pause it and just see that. And the next thing is the thermometer, and they have given a case which is always there when we order. So this is the thermometer. It has a flexible tip, and here backside it has a battery thing in here, inserting way. Then this is the button. So it is written, as you can see, Dr. Trust. So I've just ordered this product, so I don't know how is the correct information about this product. I'll just show you. Once we catch it for 2-3 seconds, we make it comes a beep sound, and this thing gets on. As you can see, some number writings, and this we can keep in which place. Now suppose I just kept here, and let's wait for the beep sound to come. When the beep sound comes, it is telling that the product is ready to check. So guys, you might feel bored because this is a medical video. Once we insert, automatically it will get on, and it will show you to put your blood here. As you can see, a small symbol. So that time in this tip you have to put your blood by just poking in this. Put your blood here and it will show you the how much is the thing. And then after that, don't need to touch in hand and take it. Just you can see here there's a thing upwards. Just put it. It will just throw the thing out and automatically it will get off. And after getting off, it can be saved. More than 1000 times it can save automatically. So this is the two products which I unboxed today. So we have a new channel, as I told you in the starting. Channel name is Tech and Travel by Suman. You can also just check it. We do videos based on traveling and same technology videos. So we'll try to upload in both the channels. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel. So this is today's video, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, it's me Suman signing out.